Sir, at the very outset, when we are talking about train accidents, let us please pass a condolence motion for the people who have died in the unfortunate accident of the 18 coaches of Howrah CSMT Express which derailed in Jharkhand. I think the House should take cognizance of that. It's a terrible tragedy where citizens have passed away, and it is in the right sense that we take up the issue in dealing with this. Now, the other issue, sir, is that the number of rising train accidents that have been happening across the country, if you go to see in the last 10 years, there has been a surfeit of these accidents that have taken place, whether it is technical or human. We've got to look. Trains by Indian train service is the 4th largest in the world. 4th largest. And it is incredible. Lakhs of passengers had the confidence in Indian Railways that their bookings would be done, they would go to the railway station, given the kind of population that we have, that they have their train reserved, their seat reserved, and they could travel safely, the key word being safety. Now, in such a situation today, in the last 10 years, we have seen an extreme decline in the safety measures, and the so-called Kavach, which was propagated and applied, has not happened. The corruption that has come about in railway safety and the products that are being used, and I have first-hand knowledge, if the minister so wants, I can sit with him and give him access to all this information, that even if you conduct an inquiry today, you will get a sample which will pass the test, but the actual reality of what is being supplied is completely malafide. And it is distressing, because today, I'm a person, member parliament or not, I love traveling by train. I do believe that India is reflected in her train journeys, her people, her cultures, and the various railway stations we pass through. But today, do we have the concept of safety? Are we not afraid to board a train? Are we sure you're going to reach your destination? And what are the facilities we have? What is the train passengers insurance? Is there anything to protect the person? So why has this decline in train safety happened? It has shaken the confidence of lakhs of Indians, because today you get scared, you get terrified to board a train because you don't know if you will reach your destination. The Sealdah Kanchenjunga Express, the goods train in June which derailed, and Chandigarh-Dibrugarh Express, the goods train with derailment near the Prayagraj junction in July, have occurred with such frequency. And we must, as people's representatives, take cognizance of